Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I want to show you what's going on. I had a misfire on cylinder 7 and I'm pressing the injectors into the cylinders. Now I've had a problem with one of them seating on 7. I've stuck this, I don't know if you can see this, a smaller bushing in first. It pushes the other bushing forward to cause a mushroom effect. If you can see that, you see how it pushes it forward. I'm going to slide that into the boss, so when it pushes down, it's got nowhere to go in the recess, and it pushes that gasket pushes that bushing all the way down into the seat. That's the problem I'm having with 7. I've done it many a times. So I use petroleum jelly on that. That breaks up in fuel. It's fine. Looks like 7 has fallen out since I've stuck it in. I tried to stick it in, so I'm going to have to reseat that. These other two seated in great, nice and tight. So I gotta do the back ones and button everything up here. I pulled that harness off here to get out of my way. Could have pulled the valve cover, but didn't want to. The intake sealed up well. Actually a little bit too good. I pulled all the bolts and I can't get it off. So this is Sunday fun day. I'm gonna button this up and try to start it. Hopefully everything works out. As always guys, like, subscribe, and share, and keep on dreaming.